Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Scared Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. We're working on our 1969 Camaro Pro-Touring car. We've done some really very cool customizations to this vehicle. I want to show you what we did to the front bumper. We actually took a stock front bumper and we cut it up and actually made it where it actually fits the grill area right here. We tucked it in and sucked it in around the bottoms. We got rid of that funky looking license plate, little teeth looking thing in there. Let's take a closer look. So what we did, we cut this bumper in about 12 different pieces. We got rid of that license plate area. We got it really fitting nice to the grill. And we got it sucked up underneath the fenders right here. We're gonna go back, we'll weld up these edges, we'll clean it up. It's gonna get painted, so there's a lot we can do with this thing to make it really cool looking on the car. So that's a really cool customization to this bumper. Hopefully we're gonna get this car painted in the next month or two, and we're gonna showcase it. I wanna thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks, customization, and other.